Use a healthy mulberry branch that is about the thickness of a pencil. Then remove the leaves from the lower half of the cutting and leave a few leaves at the top. Using sharp pruning shears, cut about 20 cm piece of the branch. Make the cut just below the node. Next, dip the lower end of the cutting into the water before dipping it into the auxin powder. Make sure the auxin is applied evenly, but do not coat the cutting too heavily. Make a small hole in the soil and place the treated end of the cutting into the hole. Tap off any excess auxin. Repeat the steps, but this time dip the lower end of the other cutting into the water without the auxin. For the first step, we need to use a sharp knife to remove a small strip of bark around the branch. Then, take a wet sphagnum moss and wrap it around the stripped part of the branch. After that, cover it with plastic wrap and use some pieces of ropes to tie the moss. Make sure it is securely wrapped around the branch. Dig some holes and place the bulbs. Make sure the sprouting shoots are facing up. Plant the bulbs 1 to 2 inches deep and then cover it with the soil. Prepare 2 poly bags and make a small hole in the center of the soil to place the bulbs. Press the soil gently around the base of the bulb to keep it stable.
After 3 weeks, the shoots started to emerge from the top of the bulb, which signaling the beginning of vegetative growth. As for the root development, the onion started to produce a more extensive root system to ensure the plant in the soil and absorb nutrients.
For bromeliad sucker, we noticed that it has grown and shown an increase in terms of its size. The adventitious roots and leaves of the sucker have become slightly longer and thicker after 3 weeks.
Blueberry stem forms new roots, shoots, and leaves.
After 3 weeks, we happen to see early signs of root development. Small and thin white roots around the girdle area were observed. This showed the plant was increasing in size and forming new parts.